Everyone, stick with us versus Herd. If it's your first time here, you like the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications from when we go live or post videos, tap the bell. And if you want to join the UVH fam, our community, links are below to our Discord, along with our free options trading group on Facebook and our Patreon. One thing that I'm excited about right now is that options trading is definitely coming to Webull. It's coming in November, and I think that in terms of options traders in a community, I think this is going to be game changing, such as like when Robinhood went live with their options trading. I think when they went live with their options trading, it brought a lot of new traders that were already using Robinhood into the mix that didn't know what options were. I mean, yes, there's good, there's bad that came with it. A lot of people lost money, a lot of people made money, but a lot of people became educated what options are. Webull is a competitor to Robinhood, and like Robinhood, they charge zero commissions on everything. And Webull is going to be charging zero commissions on options trading as well. So, from what I know right now, Webull is launching options in just a few weeks, just right in November, and they're going to be going head to head. I think this is going to be some real competition for Robinhood because no other broker besides Robinhood right now is charging zero commissions for options trading. Everyone lowered their fees, like E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, but they're still charging 65 cents per contract to open and to close. So, you're paying $1.30 round trip per contract. So, that cuts into a lot. The one thing also is, I don't know if you guys have used it. I've been using Webull for the past year or so. Just, looking at trade some stocks, not getting too invested into it, but if they drop options trading, I really have been enjoying the platform in its whole. With the, there's a lot more to it compared to Robinhood. Like Robinhood, I mean, you basically just have this little chart here, and then you could trade options on it. Webull, you can dive pretty deep here. You can go through. I did a video a couple weeks ago just doing a review of the overall feel and what you can get. There's a lot of information here, and I think the things that Robinhood has stripped out, I think Webull is going to be putting into their platform. I think it's going to be game changing. So if you do want to join Webull, links are below to join, open an account. You get free stock, I get free stock, we all get free stock, so it's good for everybody. So if you want to use my link below, if not, that's great, no problem. But if you want to use it, you get free stocks and I get free stocks if you guys open an account. But I don't do a whole lot of brokerage reviews, but I think that in terms of free options trading and the platform, I think Webull's platform in terms of trading, some people may say that, hey, Webull's platform is way too complex, because I get that a lot with people telling me like Tastyworks is too complex or Thinkorswim is too complex. They like Robinhood's feel and the simplicity of options trading on Robinhood, but they don't understand that Robinhood stripped out a lot of the things that you need to make a good decision on a trade. So I'm really hoping, once Webull drops options next month, I'm gonna be doing some videos. We'll be comparing, apples to apples, right? Trading options on Robinhood, trading options on Webull, and kind of comparing it, see which one's better. Order execution, data, overall look and feel, support. I mean, all these things are important when making a decision on which broker you want to go with. Obviously, I'm still going to be trading with Tastyworks. Obviously, I'm going to still be trading with TD Ameritrade. However, if Webull is having great order executions and the platform is stable and the support is good, I don't see why I wouldn't trade options on Webull, because they're going to really, you're going to be saving even with Tastyworks. I mean, if you go to Tastyworks, we go to the pricing here. They're charging $1, and then let's say you're doing a one line, you can see, it still costs you $1.20, and then up to 10 contracts. So 10 contracts is going to cost you $12. It's not until after 10 contracts that Tastyworks gets cheaper than the competition, but the amount of trades that I do, I mean, it's really going to eat. It could really help not eat into my profits. My P&L at the end of the year. If I do 15 trades a day, I'm spending $50 a day, maybe more, depending on what you do. And if you trade futures, you're going to be paying more. I don't think Robinhood doesn't allow futures, and Webull doesn't have futures either right now. But I already have futures approval through Tastyworks and TD Ameritrade, so I don't really need it. I don't trade futures a whole lot, but you can kind of see how that's going to cut into your P&L. And people are like, well, I do the research and I execute the trades on Robinhood, but the one thing that the issue that I have with Robinhood's platform is that the order entry is really slow, the pricing is slow, it lags behind everybody else, and the other thing is their support is pretty terrible. If you have an issue with a purchase or a contract, or you get assigned or anything, you want to work through all that, their support is terrible. And then mid pricing, I have a lot of issues with Robinhood. I mean, I have been using it recently just to buy and sell some spreads on there, but nothing too serious. And I think that Webull will be the first real competitor to Robinhood. We'll see what we want to do, because people also may not trust Webull entirely because its parent company is a Chinese company. And right now, with the trade war and everything that we have going on, they may not necessarily like their data over there. Or they say, they're basically, Webull is based in New York, and they're within all the guidelines and SEC, SIPC, everybody. I mean, they have all the regulations that do this. Otherwise, they wouldn't have approval. But their parent company is in China, so Americans may not like that. I mean, I already have an account with them, but I just want to be clear on what that actually is. So, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys think that Webull options is a good idea, bad idea. You think you'll be moving over there. Again, if you guys want to use my link below in the description, you'll get stock, I'll get stock. So, it's a win-win, guys. Anyways, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.